trading feature in FX and crypto connects you with the world's top traders. Clone their trades onto your personal account, maintain full control of your capital and profits, and potentially earn up to 40% gains monthly, all while enjoying complete transparency and accessibility to your funds. Or, if you're an ambitious trader looking to maximize capital, our partnered prop accounts offer the perfect opportunity. Showcase your skills.
Leader Funke, please. I want to know. It's the audio. Can you hear the audio playing from the video?
Yes.
Hello. Okay.
Yes,
Good.
yes.
Okay. Good. All right. Good. Okay. So are we still expecting people come? People are still coming in. While we are waiting, let's just watch this amazing video from TradeVersity. I'm just gonna restart it all over again so we can understand and see what amazing opportunity I'm about to share with each and every one on board. So while we're waiting for some members to join us in the next couple of minutes, let's just take our time and relax and watch this amazing introduction to TradeVersity video. Thank you.
Financial freedom shouldn't be reserved for a select few. It should be accessible to everyone. TradeVersity was created to make that vision a reality. With a global presence and partnerships with top brands, we offer a unique compensation plan designed to provide real opportunities for financial independence. Imagine a world-class trading education that not only teaches you the skills to excel, but also qualifies you as a recognized professional. At TradeVersity, our accredited diploma in financial trading, certified by the UK's governing bodies, VTCT and Ofqual, offers just that. Graduating with your diploma is just the beginning. You'll receive funding to jumpstart your trading career, plus employment offers from leading financial firms around the globe. Top talent from across the world can join the trading floor based in the UK, with sponsorship visas available if needed. Prefer a hands-off approach? Our clone trading feature in FX and crypto connects you with the world's top traders. Clone their trades onto your personal account, maintain full control of your capital and profits, and potentially earn up to 40% gains monthly, all while enjoying complete transparency and accessibility to your funds. Or, at competitive prices, spanning various industries, fuse to healthcare. Leverage your network and create a reliable income stream worldwide while being part of a supportive community. To take advantage of our unique TradeVersity platform, you can choose between silver and gold membership packages, both offering exclusive access to our top products and a comprehensive business platform for learning and earning. You'll receive your very own ready-made business platform with a lucrative compensation plan. A highly rewarding structure designed to empower you, maximize your income potential, and make you your own boss. Our IBO activation bonus kicks in from the start, rewarding you as you grow your team. This bonus pays out up to 60% across 7 generations deep, maximizing your earning potential as your network expands. Next up is our momentum bonus. Hit your sales targets every 7 days, and you can earn an additional $100 per week. It's our way of recognizing your consistency and rewarding your momentum as you reach new goals. For new traders, our trading revenue bonus is the perfect way to kickstart your journey. Earn up to $125 simply for being a trader on our platform. And if you're building a network of traders, you'll unlock up to 240% in matching trading rewards. The more your network grows, the greater your benefits. In e-commerce product sales, our compensation plan is even more rewarding. Earn direct sales and binary bonuses. Silver IBOs enjoy a 7% direct sales and binary bonus, while gold IBOs see that increase to 10%. More sales within your network mean more rewards for you. At TradeVersity, we recognize and celebrate your achievements. As you reach new ranks within the company, you'll be rewarded with prestigious items like designer watches, tablets, mobile phones, personal offices, cash bonuses, cars, and the ultimate prize, your very own property. Each rank tier also comes with a monthly salary ranging from $350 to $3,000 per month, simply for maintaining your binary income targets. Our rank system is designed to support your growth as you rise to the top. TradeVersity is more than just a platform. It's a commitment to empower you with both time and financial freedom. Our compensation plan rewards you every step of the way, helping you build the lifestyle of your dreams. Take control of your life today. Join TradeVersity and let's build a brighter future together. Your journey to success starts now.
Amazing, 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 amazing. This is something that I love watching always and always all over again, because it is something that we all need to dive in, and this is something that we all need to kickstart with. Once again, I want to welcome everyone. I go by the name David. I go by, please, if you're coming in, please, can you just mute your mic, please? Thank you. I go by the name David, popularly known as DD Empire. I've been in the financial space for 6 good years. 6 good years. I've worked, I've done it all, I've seen it all. And this right now, what I am bringing to the table right now this evening to share each and every one of you, it's one of a kind. It's one of a kind. In the past, I just want to share a little bit of story. In the past, I believe you and I believe you, if you're on this call, you have a reason why you're on this call. Because first, you want to maximize. First, you want passive income. Secondly, you want to see what you can grow, because the economy is not helping things right now in Nigeria, especially globally. So I just want to say, I want to share this. In the past, I got myself involved with a lot of projects. I've done it all. I've done the MLM, I've done the Ponzi's, I've done a lot. And another day, one way or the other, it's the sustainability, the consistency and the sustainability of this project never lasts. Please, Leader Funke, please, I want to know if I'm audible. Please, I hope I can. Am I clear? Am I audible? Hello, Leader Funke, are you there? Oh, please, if anybody can hear me, please, I just want to know. Okay, good, fantastic. Okay, fantastic. Okay, so over the years, I've done a lot of projects, and at the end of the day, some will last for 2 months, some last for 3 months, even some will go as much as 6 months, a year. And before you know it, one way or the other, this company will just fold up and our money is gone. In fact, and at the end of the day, I'll be like, what is happening? What is really happening? Some play how to be a Ponzi, some play out not to have their consistency. And at the end of the day, I was like, keep on asking myself and some of my colleagues, say, what is happening is there no legit investment that one can, look into and over time last for a couple of years, 2, 3 years, 5 years. And to cut the whole story short, I looked and I noticed that there is no investment. Most of these investments that he bring our table, bring to the country or bring to whatever, lasts 6 months, 8 months, and it's all gone. They're all gone. They all fold up. Either it's a Ponzi, or it's not sustainable. The sustainability is not well organized, or the company one way, maybe the payout gateway one way or the other. Explain a little bit about it, like I just did. What I want to talk about today is a project called TradeVersity. TradeVersity is a company that has been established in UK. It's a company that deal with the financial market, the forex market, and the crypto market. We all know what the forex is. We also know what the crypto market is about as well. It's an exchange of currency where you trade and you earn. You trade and you earn as much as you can earn because it has 7 trillion. 7 trillion is what is in the market, in the forex market. 7 open trillion. So TradeVersity is established in the UK, and they decided to say, okay, fine, it's hard time we come to Nigeria, come to the African continent to establish our company and also introduce what we are giving to each and everyone, to the world, to the Western world, to the African world. And what am I trying to say here right now is, what I'm trying to say is TradeVersity is an institution that are well equipped when it comes to the financial market, and they are bringing it to our doorstep today. They are bringing it to our doorstep today. If you can see, is all about. But as we proceed, I'm going to still share more insight to it. So in a nutshell, TradeVersity is a company that teaches forex, teaches crypto, and at the same time bring in passive income for you and I. Yes, passive income for you and I. And how is the passive income? Please, iPhone, please, can you mute, please? iPhone, please, can you mute, please? Thank you. And also brings in a passive income, an affiliate marketing process to the whole package. Now, we all know the only sustainability, the only real thing right now in the world right now is 2 things. If either you are learning at AI, the tech world, or you are into the financial market. These are the 2 global oil well. I tell my students, I tell my colleagues, if you're not into tech, you should be into the financial market. And if you're not into within these two product I just mentioned right now, then definitely you are lacking behind. And now this is where you will have it.
You have muted yourself.
Oh, can you hear me? Sorry about that. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Am I clear? Okay, good. This is where the financial market is coming together with AI as well. Financial market coming together with AI. So you expect the result to be awesome, massive. But I'm not going to go much deep into that. I'm just going to explain a little bit more about TradeVersity, because that's why we are on the call today. Now, I believe each and everyone I've heard through our leader, with Funke, what TradeVersity is all about. I'll be sharing more insight about in the WhatsApp. So TradeVersity is a company that has come to Africa and said, okay, fine, I want to teach each and everybody that's interested to learn Forex, either Forex or crypto. And as well, if you don't have the time to learn Forex, but at the same time, you are willing to earn from the Forex market, we can do that for you. We can do that for you. And how do we do that? They had to partner with a company called PU Prime. PU Prime is a brokerage firm. PU Prime is a brokerage firm that allows you have your money in your own custody. And you having your money in your own custody is simply telling you, I can wake up in the morning and say, okay, I'm not interested in TradeVersity anymore. I want to withdraw my money. I'm not interested in any project about Forex anymore. I want to withdraw my money. It's just like having your money in the bank. They call them a brokerage firm. So PU Prime, as a brokerage firm, is in partnership with TradeVersity as an institution. Let's just call TradeVersity as an institution. Now, what are they trying to do here? If you know you want to learn, there are packages on TradeVersity. There are packages on educational packages on TradeVersity. We have professional coaches that runs live sections. They teach you how to trade the financial market, how to trade the Forex market, the crypto market. They give you signals on how to trade the Forex and crypto market as well. And if you're a busy man or a lady or a woman anywhere in the world, and you say, okay, fine, I don't have time, but I still want to make money. I still want to invest. I still want to participate with TradeVersity. They also have what they call a mirror copy trading system. Now, this mirror copy trading system, all you need to do is just have your money in your back office, which they are in partner with PU Prime. They are in partnership with PU Prime. PU Prime as a broker, please remember I said PU Prime is a broker. It's just like a bank. You can decide to take your money at any given time. I'm saying you're not interested in TradeVersity anymore. So they are telling you, okay, fine, we can work for you. If you know you're a busy kind of person, we can work for you. All you need to do is come on board, register with our TradeVersity program, put in your money in your own brokerage firm by which you're going to sign up by your own self with your verified ID, NIN, and we'll do the remaining work for you. It's as simple as that. All you need to do is just go to bed, wake up in the morning, and see your profit that we've done for you. Place your withdrawal, wake up in the morning. How much have TradeVersity made for me today? Oh, they've made $10. They've made $20 for me today. Fantastic. I'm pulling out. And as you're withdrawing it, PU Prime are sending your money directly to your bank account ASAP, as soon as possible. Within less than 5 minutes, your money is in your bank account. This is not a Ponzi system. This is not a Ponzi shot like we've all know that have collapsed in the past. What they tell you is put your money in their own custody, and we are going to trade for you. We're going to do this for you. We're going to do that for you. At the end of the day, they tell you they cannot pay you because your money is already with them and you cannot withdraw. No, this is a legit investment, a legit educational program that is ringing in your doorstep right now. Now, how do you become a member of TradeVersity? Very simple. How do you become a member of TradeVersity? TradeVersity, all you just need to do is have a registration. Register with this company, and you are a member of TradeVersity. How much is the registration fee? $100. And this registration fee is going to last for 1 good year. Please pardon me. I should have shown some PDF, but I am on my phone. It was a impromptu meeting. So hopefully when we have a meeting on Thursday, I'll be sharing the pictures, the graphics, and also the interface, the back end of TradeVersity. So, okay, please, can you hold on? Let me just share. While I'm explaining, let me just go into TradeVersity as well. So it doesn't look like, okay, please hold on. Hold on, okay. Okay. Sorry about that. TradeVersity. Good. Okay, so this company, okay, fantastic. This is TradeVersity here. So this company are strictly about the finance market. They are strictly about educating you and I, telling us we don't need to go invest our money in any Ponzi. We don't need to go look for something that is missing. What we are bringing to you on your table right now is legit. What we are bringing to your table right now is earning in the financial market, with or without your effort. If you know you want to learn the process, if you know you want to understand and be able to trade the financial market by yourself, TradeVersity is here for you. If you also know that you don't have the time, but you want your money to speak for you, TradeVersity is here for you as well. If you are a marketer, an affiliate marketer as well, you just want to push the program to your friends, your family, your colleagues as well that are interested as well, TradeVersity is here for you. So this is an amazing company that is here for you and I. And this is the right time. They're in the position right now because the economy is not smiling right now. A dollar right now is 1,560 naira, if I'm not mistaken. which I believe I'm projecting before the end of the year, it should go for 2,000 per $1. So have you ever have it in mind that you want to earn in passive income in dollars? I want to learn a skill. I want to put my investment and I want a return earning in dollars. If you're making as little as $10 a day, that is about close to 16,000 naira. And TradeVersity is here to give you 1% to 5% of your investment. And this is not just a Ponzi. This is a live trading. You're going to be seeing this in your PU Prime brokerage firm. It's not a company that will tell you, give me the money, let's keep it for you. No. And as well, if you know as well, you also want to learn this skill, and I also want to make this money as well while I'm learning this skill, TradeVersity is here for you and I too as well. TradeVersity is here for you and I as well. So, in a nutshell, for you to be a member of TradeVersity, all you need to kickstart with is $100. And that $100 will make you a membership for 1 good year. 365 days for 1 good year. Now, not only that, while you're a member on TradeVersity, TradeVersity is also giving you and I an opportunity to say, okay, fine, share our news to your brothers, share our news to your friends, share our news globally. And we are going to give you a reward of 40% IBO earning. 40%. IBO earning simply, in a nutshell, summary, simply means you are in a partnership with this company. They are giving you an opportunity to be a partnership with their company, and at the same time, also paying you for your efforts. Pushing their brand, pushing the company, bringing people to the company. They are giving you 40%, and a whopping sum of 60% in general, because they have stages. It has a generational stages from 1 to 7. Stage 1 to stage 7. That is, if you have a first generational person that you brought on board that is making that you brought on board, that you got your 40% from, and that same person brings another person again, you are going to earn from that person too as well. If that person brings another person again, you are going to earn from that person up to 7 generational earnings. 40% first generational earning, second generational earning is 5%, third generational earning is 5%, fourth generational earning is 5% as well, all to the 7th level. So I don't know what's wrong with my network. My network is a little bit slow. I think that's why the dashboard is taking a little bit longer. Please, let's hold a little bit while I still explain. All to the 7th generation. This is remarkable. This is remarkable, everyone. Now, not just only that, they have combined a partnership with PU Prime, a brokerage firm that is telling you and I, bring your money to the system. Copy TradeVersity master traders, mirror copy traders. Make money in PU Prime. You don't need to do anything. All you need to do is just have a capital, a minimum of $100 as well. And you earn nothing less than 1% to 10% every given day. 1% to 10% every given day. In a nutshell, in a month, you're earning up to 40 to 50% of your initial capital. That is to say, if you're coming on board to copy the master traders on TradeVersity and the master traders on PU Prime, without you doing anything, you'll be taking home nothing less than 40 to 50% of your initial capital every month. Let's say, for example, you're coming on board with $1,000. What you'll be going home with end of the month is about $400 to $500. Brothers and sisters, $500 right now in the Nigerian market right now in our currency is about close to 750,000 naira. Please tell me a company that will pay you 750,000 naira for a month. apart from the oil well and the politics, whatever, in our current country right now in Nigeria, which country will pay 750,000 naira per month? Okay, let's say you don't have that amount because of the situation on ground right now, but you're able to come on board with $100. $100. Now, this $100 now was giving you a take-home profit of $40 to $50 monthly. That means you're going home with about 75,000 naira, 75 to 80,000 naira. All you are investing is $100. Please, ladies and gentlemen, please, I want you to listen very carefully. You're investing $100, which is about 150,000 on your trading platform, which TradeVersity is telling you how we assist you to trade this with PayU Prime brokerage firm. And you are investing as little as $100. As little as $100, and you are going back home every single day, 1% to 5% to 10%. In a month, you're going back home with 40 to 50%. That means you're going back home with $40 or $50. That's approximately about 80,000 naira. Now imagine you're coming on board with $200. Imagine you're coming on board with $300. What is wrong with my network? Please, can this just play? Sorry about that. What if you're coming on board with $200? What if you're coming on board with $300? This is remarkable. I am a trader. I've been trading for 6 years now. I've never seen an opportunity like TradeVersity before. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a Ponzi. This is a live investment. A live earning investment that is telling you and I want to change your lifestyle in the economy. You want to live the lifestyle. And trust me, I believe you must have seen how traders that make their money in the Forex market, how they live their lifestyle. As much as we call it the passive income, we also want to use our money, let our money work for us. Let's look for a legitimate investment, a legitimate company that we can put in our money and say, yes, our money is secured. Now, lastly, not only you earning through the IBO on TradeVersity, not only you earning through the trading aspect on TradeVersity, which is by copying that they are master traders, they are mirror copy traders, they are also giving you an opportunity to also get an instant funding props account. A instant funding props account. Please pardon me, please, everyone. I really don't know why this is taking long to load. I really don't know why. Leader Funke, please, am I still audible, please? I want to know if I'm audible, please.
Yes, you are.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I don't know why. I really don't know why my stuff is not logging in. I really don't know why.
Just continue.
I just made okay, good. All right, so they are also giving you a prop account. A prop account simply means you don't have money. You don't have much money, but I have about $25. How do I use that? They also, okay, I've registered to TradeVersity, but I just have $25. How can I use this? They are telling you and I, you can come on board with our prop firm. The prop firm is prop firm is there. You can come on board with our prop firm with as little as $25. Now, once you come on board with our prop firm, the educational results, the signals you get from TradeVersity, you can use that to trade your prop firm, and at the same time, make money from that as well. Now, the beauty part about this prop firm is not just a 10% earning prop firm, no, or not just an instant earning prop firm, no. It's a prop firm that is a scalable prop firm. You start with as low as $25. They give you an account worth of $1,000. Now, if you make 10% of the $1,000, that is about $100. The company is going to take back 10% and give you 90%. That means you will keep $90, they will take $10. Then you qualify to the next stage, which will be given $2,200.
Sorry, I think it's 80 to 20%.
What do you say?
I said I think it's 80 to 20%.
Okay, it's okay. Oh, thank you for correcting me. Is that okay? 80% to 20%. Okay, my item is on here. Good. 80 to 20%. Which they give you 80 to 20%. That means you will keep 80, they will keep 20. Then you move to the next level, which is $2,200. If you make a 10% on that as well, it applies the same way, up to $1,260 worth of profit, and that should be about 250K accounts. Remarkable. And once you get to that level, this company will send you an email and say, Mr. Kelvin, leader, Funke, we noticed that you are a good trader. We would like you to come and work for our company, which they'll be giving you a visa all the way to the United Kingdom. And you are qualified to earn a salary worth of from $500 to $1,500 monthly. And if you decide to say, okay, I don't want to move to the United Kingdom, I still want to work here remotely, they are still going to pay you that same money. Ladies and gentlemen, as much as you and I are tired of Ponzi's, as much as you and I are tired of the economic crisis, what we have right now in front of us is something worthwhile. What we have in front of us, with our dedication and our mindset, TradeVersity will be able to put nothing less than $200 to $500 in your back office every single month. Every single month. Oh, I didn't even know. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see my wallet here. E-wallet, $40. Somebody just registered. I don't even know. I didn't even know. I did not even know. One of my downlines, I believe one of my clients or downlines have registered. And this is TradeVersity telling me, thank you, DD Empire, for introducing TradeVersity to your downlines, your friends and families. And we are giving you a 40% reward. So automatically, I've made $40 from that individual that has registered with $100. I can decide right now to withdraw this money right now, and instantly I'm seeing it in my account, in my USDT account, in the next 15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. $40 right now is about close to 60,000 naira. Ladies and gentlemen, a young boy out there, a young man out there, a young lady out there must have woke up in the morning, not their tie, and say they're working, they want to go to the bank to work. They want to go to a corporate firm to work. And I'm just receiving their salary by just explaining to you and I right now. I just received their salary. So imagine having 10 people, 15 people subscribing to TradeVersity. And I'm making 10 to 40% each for each and every one of them. So as I'm making, they also are also making by introducing TradeVersity to their friends and family. It's more of a gesture by the company telling you, thank you, Mr. David. Thank you, Mrs. Funke. Thank you, Mr. Patrick. Thank you, Mr. Bright. And not only that as well, I'm also making money with my trading as well. On the Pay Your Prime by copying their traders, their master traders, and averaging as well as 40 to 50% monthly. Nobody is going to tell me your money is locked somewhere. Come and register. The gateway service is having issue. There is a glitch. No. I am looking at TradeVersity right now. Where my money is right now, I can withdraw it, and I'm paying for the educational system. I'm paying for the mirror copy trading system. I'm paying for the IBO package, and it's just a whopping sum of $100 for you to be a member, for you to be a partner of TradeVersity. Because once you pay this $100, you are a partner of the company. This is also your company. This is where you are also working. Waking up in the morning, you have your trading account trading for you, giving you money. You are also telling your friends and family, your clients about TradeVersity. You are earning from the IBO as well. You're also earning from the prop firm as well. This is remarkable. With just $100. Now, not only that, they're also telling you, if you don't have $100, you can also go for the lesser package, which is the silver package as well. The silver package, you can also go for the silver package as well. Hold on, please. You can also go for the silver package. This is the academy section. I think I'll be touching this on Thursday. I just want to give us an insight about the TradeVersity and the PU Prime as well. Okay, I think since I've paid for my gold package. Okay, package history. Since I've paid for my gold package, not silver. They also have a package called silver, but that goes for $50. $50. But you're not going to get the total package. You're not going to get the total benefits of what the gold is giving. So I'm going to encourage for gold. Just go for gold. I think that's the best. That's just the best. Instead of going for I'm trying to see if I can locate where I can see the silver package. If I've paid, I don't think so. I really don't think. I think that once you've paid, you're done. You're out of it. Once you paid, you're out of it. Oh, Leader Funke, is there a section where once you paid, you can still access for the silver package? Leader Funke, are you there with me? You're not sure? Supposed to have made $80 right now. Okay, I think the other one hasn't dropped then. Okay, that one was yesterday. Okay, I put out that yesterday. All right, so this is what TradeVersity is bringing for you and I, everyone. These are new members coming on board. As you can see, every single minute, every single hour, new members are coming on board on the platform. So I will also want to share. Let me take this opportunity to also share the PU Prime 2 as well together. So we all see that as well. PU Prime as well. So we can also see that as well. Okay, a PU Prime, like I said, the PU Prime is just like a bank account. It's a brokerage firm. This is what they do is they take your money and allow you to be able to access the financial market, because you cannot just take your money and say you're going to Broadway, you're going to New York City right now to go and put your money. No. You need a platform, a company that will take your money, make it easier for you, because those days in the past, it was a little bit tedious. But now that we're in the advanced world, we have a brokerage firm that will tell you, Mr. Kelvin, Mrs. Chioma, bring your money. If you want to trade the financial markets, we'll help you. Just put your money in your brokerage firm. It's like a bank account. Your money is safe. You can withdraw it at any given time, and you can now trade the financial markets. You can now trade the financial market. So this is how it looks like. This is how PU Prime looks like. And PU Prime are in partner with TradeVersity. We have a lot of brokers. I'm an IB on a lot of brokers. We have brokers that have XNET, Anzo, but why PU Prime is so special is PU Prime is regulated, fast payments. Their spread is so good. And it also, if you want to be a partner of PU Prime as well, they are also giving you an access. Not only that as well, they are also giving you an access to being a partner and also be an IB holder too on PU Prime as well. So that's why when the company in UK came to Nigeria, they were looking at which broker is going to suit them to share. And I'm glad they picked PU Prime. I'm glad they picked PU. And ladies and gentlemen, as I'm talking to you right now, PU Prime is a bomb. It's a bomb. Your money is safe. You can place a withdrawal any given time. I want to share you some funds in my PU Prime so you all can see. It's loading. Your money is in your custody. You don't have as you can see, this is $685. This is about $28,798 in total net value. So you have nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. It's about $685. It's an IB. It's okay. So you have nothing to worry about. $250 and $435. So you have nothing to worry about. I can decide to place a withdrawal right now, instantly right now. So I'm talking to you right now. My money comes to my bank account, ASAP. So with partnership with PU Prime and TradeVersity, we have something phenomenal here that I would love you and I to come on board, grab this opportunity, and let's say no to the bad economy of the country right now. Let's be able to buy the food, live the life, go out, give our family the lifestyle we want. Because right now, if you're not, like I say, if I tell my students, if you're not earning, and my partners, if you're not earning in dollars, I don't know what you're earning because the economy is so bad. So if you're not earning in dollars, in fact, I really don't know. I would love to round up this with saying, I had a discussion with a partner and I told him, his name is Kunle. I said, Mr. Kunle, if I tell you I've not been to the bank for a good 5 years, would you believe me? And he was like, it's not possible. I said, I have not been to the bank for over 5 years. I have not been to the bank for over 5 years. After the COVID and all, I've not been to the bank. And how did your transaction, Mr. Didi Empire? I said, all my money, all my earnings come from USD. My money is either in my broker like PU Prime, or my money is in my exchange on Bybit or Binance. I rather keep my money in dollars. I rather invest in dollars than invest in Naira. If I'm invested in Naira, I'm not making money because Naira is devaluing. Naira is devaluing. I rather invest in dollars. I look for a legit program. I look for a legit investment, put my money in dollars, make my money in dollars, even though it's giving me $5, giving me $10. It's even though it's giving me $5, giving me $10, it's money. Talking about 15 to 16K. 1 hour, 2 hours. This is what TradeVersity is bringing to our doorstep. So at this point, I would please pardon me. On our next Zoom on Thursday, I'll be sharing full back office on TradeVersity, the graphics, everything, the founder of TradeVersity, every intel. I'm going to show you how to register. I'm going to show you how to make a deposit, everything you need to know about the back office of TradeVersity. Let's just use this as an introduction and explaining what TradeVersity is all about, like I explained right now. So at this point, I want to thank everyone. And please, if there is any question regarding to what I've just explained about this amazing, amazing company that, in fact, I'm a part of, and Leader Funke is also part of it. And I believe everybody on this call too as well will be part of it too as well. Please ask your question before I give the mic to my one and only calm, amazing leader Funke. Thank you. Please, if there's any question, please, I would appreciate it if you can ask any question. Oh, Patricia, he said my voice is breaking. Sorry about that. Patricia, please, did you at what point was my voice breaking? Is Patricia on the call? I think she's okay. Is she on the call?
Logged out.
Oh, she has locked out. Oh,
No.
oh. Okay. Okay, sorry, please. If there's any other question regarding to the presentation, please feel free to unmute your mic and ask a question.
Okay, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Mr. Sham. Good evening.
Yeah, good evening. Well, thanks for this kind of amazing opportunity. I really appreciate it so much. But for me, I still have to digest it so that I will know where my question will come from. But I appreciate it because I'm looking like you made mention of $100 registration for the trade view, right?
Yes. For you to register on your TradeVersity, yes. It's $100, yes.
Okay, but when come to that, the broker, okay, any amount can fly.
Exactly.
Or do you
exactly.
have
now, it's advisable with the broker. Once you register on TradeVersity with the $100, that's going to last you. That's going to give you a yearly membership. You're going to be a membership of TradeVersity for 1 good year. Okay. Now, for you to now say, okay, fine, I want to copy. I want to make money. I want to utilize the master traders that on TradeVersity to give you money to trade with your PU Prime. You need at least a minimum of $100 as well.
Okay, please, all this thing you are saying now, is there anywhere I can go that can see the agreement between the FU, that your broker, and the what's it called, the TradeVersity? That is there any way you can see the relationship between them? Is there anything that you want to see their lines? I know of that prime broker, I've heard it somewhere, but this TradeVersity, if I want to know their lines regulated or the relationship between both of them, where can I go if I want to make my personal research?
Yes, dear. Okay. Thank you. That's a very, very good question. Yes, TradeVersity was established since 2016. Later, Funke will be sending you the PDF on our group. She's going to send that to you as well. The PDF, they established in 2016. They've been in the UK. They just decided to come to Nigeria. The CEOs, they are also there on the PDF. These are highly influential people when it comes to the financial world, financial market. They've done it all. They've worked for different banks, different sectors. They built systems, until they have to say, okay, let's establish our own called TradeVersity. Okay, and regarding to in them being partnership with PU Prime. Now, when I say partnership in PU Prime, they entrust their clients because they made a research as PU Prime. PU Prime is a broker that have been over years. They allow you use your money to trade the financial market. They're telling you, Mr. Sham, put your money in our custody. We take care of your money. Trade the financial market. And at the same time, you can withdraw your money at any given time. As much as you want to trade the Forex market, you need to have a broker. You need to have a broker to be able to access the market. So PU Prime is a brokerage firm that is giving you the access to put your money, copy the master traders, the mirror copy trading on TradeVersity, and make your money and see it in your back office. Let me share you. I want to share you. Let me just share something quickly. Let me share a running trade for you so you understand better how it's being run. Okay, let me just share a little bit. Done, Mr. Sham. Mr. Sham, are you new into the Forex market?
No, I'm not new.
You are not new. Oh, fantastic. Okay.
Yeah, I'm not new.
You're not new.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, now, as you can see, these are different brokers here. These are different brokers here, but this is PU Prime. This is 300. I have 300 and this is 300 and this is 300 and let's say $350 here. This is PU Prime. These are running trades on PU Prime. A cent account on PU Prime. These are running trades on PU Prime. So I can decide to say, I can decide right now and say, I don't want, I want my money tomorrow. I want my money right now. Okay?
Okay,
I want my money right
get.
now.
I understand, but that's what I'm trying to ask. What I'm trying to ask is that, is there anywhere on PU Prime Pay that they make mention of like that was called the other company that is our partner? That's what I'm trying to, is that like where you can get to know that they're actually their partner, like what their relation is. That's what I'm saying. I know how.
Yeah, okay. I get you now. There's a PDF to that. Leader Funke will share that to you. There's a PDF to that. She will share that to you. As you can see here, like, this is one there.
Is it something that someone can get online?
What do you say?
Is it something that I can, like, if I go online? Is it something I can access by myself?
Can you hear me?
Hello, I can't hear you.
Yes.
Please come again. Please come
Mr.
again.
Shams, are you in my group or Mr. Ola's group?
Funke group.
Mr. Shams, are you in my group or Mr. Ola's
Yes,
group?
I'm in Funke. I think Funke group, right?
Okay, no wala. If you just click on your participants, you will see PU Prime Africa. Are you seeing that? Are you seeing PU Prime Africa? Hello, can you hear me?
Mr. Sham, are you there?
Mr. Shams, yourself. Can you see Africa? Hello. Unmute yourself.
Okay, I can hear you.
Okay, can you see Prime Africa on this call?
No, I can't see it at the moment. Okay, but it's there, right? So.
Press your participants.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's an officer.
There's an agent there that you see PU Prime Africa.
Brokerage
Yes.
firm.
Okay. Okay.
Don't make this class to be very long. Maybe on Thursday, then he will come on board and share with us.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Sham. All right. Okay, she's out again. Miss Patricia is out again. I think she's having network issues. Okay, she's back. Madam Patricia, sorry, you said you could not hear my voice was breaking. Sorry about that. Were you able to get some quite good information regarding TradeVersity, or you have a question that you would like to ask, ma? Madam Patricia, please, you can unmute, please.
I'm not sure.
Yes.
From the beginning.
Responded.
Okay.
I heard you very well. Were you just that your voice was breaking?
Oh, I think it's the network. But I think everyone heard my voice. I think it's the network from the end. This network these days.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Hello?
Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you.
I think it's a network.
It's a network. Okay, everyone, please. On Thursday, we're gonna have more of an in-depth practical, more of an in-depth back office on TradeVersity and also the PU Prime as well. The PU Prime Africa, our top managing director is gonna come on board and explain more regarding to PU Prime Africa, and at the same time, I'll also be giving the back office on TradeVersity too as well for each and every. But please, before then, I would George, please take your referral link from Leader Funke. I'll refer from Leader Funke. Register as soon as possible, and let's get you started. Let's start making good money. Let's start making good money. This is something legit. It's not a Ponzi. It's, if you put in the effort, you would, trust me, you would not regret it. Either you want to push TradeVersity, you're going to make money. If you don't want to push TradeVersity, you're still going to make money. Do you want your money to work for you on TradeVersity? Yes. 100% yes. These are the things you're going to gain, and these are the things TradeVersity is bringing to your doorstep as well. Any money in USD, any money in dollars is nothing to talk about. It's something that you and I need to do to survive in our country today. Nigeria is not helping anybody. The global economy is having serious meltdown. And how do you have a sustainable living? Is by earning in dollars. I just want to use the opportunity to say thank you, everyone, and hand over the mic to Leader Funke. Leader Funke, you can say one or two before we call it a night. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Leaders Didi. God bless you. Thank you. Please, who is this iPhone? Is it Mr. Ola? I expect him to be on this call. Please, iPhone, unmute yourself. Are you Mr. Ola? I just want to know who you are, please. Then are you from Funke's group or Ola's group? Hello? Hello, and if you have a question, please ask now. iPhone. Hello? Okay, is there any other questions, please? Mrs. Patricia, Mr. Shams, do you still have any other question?
Okay, for me, there is no question for now. As I said, I will go and look at it on my own, and I will get back on the, what's it called, the next meet. I think that is going to be hold on Thursday, right?
Oh, yes, by God's grace, yes.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you, Mr. Dr. Bright. That's the managing director from PU Prime Africa. Thanks for being with us. Thank you, DD Empire, for this amazing presentation. Thank you, everyone, for. Yeah, Mr. Mrs. Ayomide Akure. You are just joined, but we'll make this recording available so you can go through it. If you have any, you can come directly to me. Okay, thank you, everyone. If there's no, you can just call it a night. We meet on Thursday again. We'll send the Zoom link.
Hello. All right. Good night, everyone.
Somebody is saying hello. I think it's iPhone. Who is that?
It's the iPhone. The iPhone, the person you asked to.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah. So I've been busy with some things. I think I've not been concentrating. So I have a particular question which my member has been asking me, and I really do not know how to go about it. Though I think I've been trying to ask or to get some information from Mrs. Funke, and she has been doing a very good job. But the particular question they've been asking me is that is it compulsory they have to buy the $100 which meant for the license for the 365 days because they were like they don't have up to that or up to like $200 to start by now because they were thinking if they could just start with $100 on the PU Prime trading stuff. So maybe when the moment they're able to get the $100, they can be able to buy the license. And I was trying to explain to them that the license will be the one to enable you to, when you're bringing people to the platform or to the website, so you'll be able to get your 40% bonus from them. And if you are trying to like start trading now without doing that, and maybe one of your member join you won't be able to get any bonus from him or her. So I want you to please maybe just shed more light about it, so I'll be able to know what to tell them, what to tell them whenever I come across that kind of question. Even though I'm still having it up to now, I hope you understand what I'm trying to say, sir. Please.
Okay, yes, fantastic. In fact, that is amazing. The beauty part about this question is, in fact, I really commend you for asking this question. First of all, as you can see, the PU Prime Africa, the director manager is here on board. That's to show you that, yes, that's to show you that PU Prime is not here to joke. PU Prime also have a very good facility which you can also copy trade. You can also copy trade with professional traders on their platform. Okay, now TradeVersity, as much as TradeVersity have their own professional traders too as well. Are you with me? PU Prime 2 also have their own professional traders too as well. Their professional traders are on PU Prime 2 as well. So you can decide, okay, fine, I don't have $200, but I have $100. Which one do I go for? Do I go for TradeVersity or do I go for PU Prime? Now, that PU Prime, the actual PU Prime copy trading, mirror copy trading system will explain more better on Thursday. Now, but let me answer your question. Do I go for PU Prime or do I go for TradeVersity? Either way, you go for either way, you are still going to land. You are still going to come back to PU Prime. Now, why? TradeVersity is giving you an extra income, an affiliate IBO marketing income. That is, they're telling you, for you to join our company as a member, you need to pay $100. Now, you get all the facilities, all the equipment, all the materials that TradeVersity is giving you just with $100. And at the same time, if you bring in me, you bring in your downlines, you bring in phone care with your IBO link. With your IBO link, we are going to tell you, Mr. iPhone, thank you for sharing your our company with your downlines. We are giving you a sum of 40% of your initial deposit, of your registration deposit. Now, not only that, it runs down to first generation to seventh generation. That is to say, if you bring in a client, you tell a client about TradeVersity, and you try and say, okay, I love this project, I want to invest. And the client is investing $100. I want to be a member. He's investing $100. Now, automatically, you get 40%, right? Yeah. Now, if that client brings in another client again, the client will get 40% too as well, but you will get 5%. Second generation. Third generation, if the client's third generation, the client will get 5%, you yourself too will get 5%, then the immediate client will also get 40% till seventh generation, like that.
Wow.
It's like if a company is selling their shares. Are you with me?
Yeah, now, I'm with you.
Now that is another part of earning. Now, another part of earning through TradeVersity, you cannot get the assets of the instant funding props account without registering on TradeVersity. No, you can't. Because they are giving you a 50% sign up instant funding. So the only way you can get that instant funding is by having a member on TradeVersity. Okay. Now, why are you asking this question? Because you don't have enough money. You don't have $200. You just have $100. Why not? You can pick one. You can either become an affiliate marketer. Once you make money, you bring in, let's say, for example, now you come on TradeVersity right? You bring in 3 clients. Automatically, you've gotten $420. You can now put that to your trading, to your PE Prime mirror copy trading as a capital to trade. Or better still, you can say, okay, fine, I want to go for the trading aspect. I am copying trading on PU Prime. Let me just go $100. Put it direct to PU Prime, direct $100. Once you make money through your trading, I will now take that money and put it back to TradeVersity and be a partner on TradeVersity. They both work hand in hand. They both have their own values. PU Prime only have a copy trading system. If you have $100 and you don't have more than $100, but mind you, also they also have a referral IBO based earning too as well, just as TradeVersity to have as well. So, like I said, they both work hand in hand. So, anywhere you decide to choose It's a win-win.
All right. All right.
I hope I'm able to answer your question.
Yeah. I really appreciate that. Based on me, I've understood this a little bit. So, and I'm going to do the right thing. I'm going to do the right thing. But I'm just asking for my downline, and I've gotten enough answers, to free them. And I believe with what you have just explained to me, and with one I've just understand now, so it will help me, to teach them the more how it works and how it goes. So
Fantastic.
I really appreciate that way. Thanks so much, sir. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Okay,
please, is there any other person? Any
Mr.
other person that
Frederick.
have a question?
Mr. David, sorry. That means on PU Prime, I can trade and do a copy trading without having a, what's it called? That the second account.
On PU Prime, you can also copy. You can also decide to say, I want to copy top traders, top signal providers on PU Prime.
Oh, okay. That means no more for me to have that what's it called, trade.
Mind you, hold on. Mind you, as much as we have a very good signal providers on PU Prime, which our directors will also introduce us to, there are also professional signal providers on TradeVersity too as well.
Okay, that means two options.
Thank you. And mind you, as much as they also have good signal providers on TradeVersity, you cannot access the instant funding props account. One, you need to be a member of TradeVersity. You cannot access the IBO referral 40% to seventh generation on TradeVersity. You need to be a member on TradeVersity.
Okay.
Do you understand that?
Yeah, I do.
All right, thank you. So please, then another question again, please feel free. So the reason why Leader Funke is handling this meeting, she's an educational mentor at the same time in financial space, trying to put a solid information out there for you and I. So okay, fine, this is where I am putting my money in, and this is where my money is. I can withdraw my money. It's a legitimate investment, not a Ponzi investment, and I believe I'm going to make money through either one of these two. They work, it's like a brother and sister. They work hand in hand. You start from one, make money from one, then enter to the other one, or start with the other one, make money from the other one, and enter to the other one. It's as simple as that. So please, is there another question, please, before we call it a night?
Best resources, you were asking a question of the group. Please ask your question now.
Okay. Good evening, sir. So I'm sorry I will have joined since morning, but my network was very bad. So I'm very sorry about that. And my question is that I was able to join the Zoom meeting day before yesterday with I think the owner of the TradeVersity. But I want to have a question that if I want to start this trading university now, how much is then let's say the amount you can recommend for me to fund my account before I can trade?
Okay, very good question. For you to be a part of TradeVersity, I told them all you need to do is have as much as $200. In fact, $150. Okay. In fact, $150. But so as a financial advisor, I tell my people, if you are coming on board with TradeVersity, you need to have $200. Why? $100 comes in for your registration membership that gives you 1 year activation. 1 year activation. Then the remaining $100 goes to your trading account.
Okay.
When the other one goes to trading account, so at that point in time, you have $200.
Okay.
Registered, full blown registered. You are making money through your TradeVersity or your affiliate marketing, your IBO marketing. You're also making money in the trading aspect as well. It's as simple as that.
Okay. Yeah. Sorry, sir. The second question, sir. And let's assume that maybe I registered with $250. I found my accounts for trading section. So how much
Okay.
is the minimum I can be earned in a day? Because I've
They 1
already
to
told
5%. 1 to 5% a day. 1 to
1%
5% a day.
a day.
A day.
Okay.
That gives you a whopping sum of 40 to 50% monthly. 30,
Okay.
40% to 50% monthly of your capital.
Of my capital. Okay. All right. Thank you, sir.
Which you cannot get anywhere if you're working in a bank or everywhere. You can't. That means if you let's say 40% of your $200 right now, it should be about close to $100 is $100 is $40. $200,
Yes.
that's about close to 180K.
Yeah.
More than $100, 180K. They're about 160K. Without doing anything. All you are just doing is allowing your money do the work by copying a master signal providers, a mirror copy trading on the platform. Is as simple as ABC.
Okay. All right, sir. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Please, anybody that have any question, please feel free to answer before we call it the night. Hopefully on Thursday, we're going to have a full-fledged back-end Zoom call. Our director will be on the call on PO Prime. I'm also going to handle the TradeVersity as well. Full-fledged back office on the both opportunity.
Mr. David, sorry, please.
Yeah.
Can you come maybe the next time with the top 5 analysis of maybe the trader in that?
That's what I said. When I said the back end, we are going to touch everywhere. Traders, we're going to give you traders, best top traders. We're going to show you results. We're going to show you, in fact, a lot. You'll be mind blown. You'll be mind blown. So please bring in your downlines to the call. So that was also going to help you, less stressful. They also get information and knowledge about it all. Please, everyone, if you have a downline, please bring them to the call too, please. Okay. So is there another question before we call it a night? Okay. Once again, I want to welcome and thank everyone for being on this call. It's a honor, Dr. Bright. It's an honor to have you on the call. You're always exceptional. You always answer to our call. It's an honor. We thank you for everything. We thank you for being on the call.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Hopefully, we'll be expecting your presentation on Thursday as usual.
Sure.
To mind blow everyone. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, Leader Funke. Thank you, Amide. Thank you, iPhone. Thank you, Shams. Thank you, Mr. Vet, for being on the call. Hopefully, please bring your downlines, register them as soon as possible. Bring them to the call on Thursday so we can earn money. I don't want to make dollar alone. No, I want to share dollar with you and my other leaders on the call, please. I don't want to make dollar alone, please. Once I grow, if a leader grows, the team also as well will grow. If Leader Funke grows, all our subordinates too as well will grow. That's what makes a good leader. Thank you, everyone, and have a wonderful night. Good night.
Thank you. Good night, everyone. Dr. Brett, good night, sir.
Good night, ma'am. Funke.
Yes, sir.